In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number of decimal places on Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has numbers that look messy or inconsistent, adjusting the number of decimal places can make your data clearer and more professional. The best part is, you can do this quickly and the underlying values remain intact. Only how they're displayed changes. First, open your browser and head to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with Google services. Find and click Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you already have Sheets open, you can follow along from there. If you don't immediately see Sheets in the panel, you may need to scroll within that menu or search for it from the main Google page. Once Google Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work on and open it. You can use an existing file or a new one. It works the same either way. When the document loads, identify the numbers you want to format. Next, highlight your data. Click and drag across the cells that contain the numbers. If you need an entire column, click the column letter at the top. You can also select multiple areas by holding your keyboard's modifier key while clicking. But the key idea is to make sure all the cells you want to change are selected before you format them. Now, look at the toolbar above the sheet for two specific icons. One shows 0.0 becoming 0.00, which increases decimal places. The other shows 0.00 becoming 0.0, which decreases decimal places. These are the controls that change how many decimals are displayed. If your window is narrow and you don't see them right away, expand your window or look for an overflow arrow that reveals additional toolbar buttons. With your cells still highlighted, click the increase or decrease button until the numbers display the exact number of decimal places you prefer. Each click adjusts by one place. For instance, clicking increase once turns 12.3 into 1230. Clicking decrease once turns 1230 into 12.3. Behind the scenes, Sheets rounds the displayed value, but the original stored number remains the same. That means you can safely change the display without losing precision, and formulas that reference those cells will continue to use the full underlying values. If a cell doesn't change, double-check that it actually contains a numeric value and not text that looks like a number. Also, remember you can undo any change immediately if needed, and that's it. You've formatted your numbers to show exactly the decimals you want, making your sheet cleaner, easier to read, and more consistent.